Hi Downy Woodpeckers, good morning. So I'm going to make a video now about our STEM challenge, which was to make a marble run. Or you could, if you don't have any marbles at home, there are many things that you could use. I'm going to show you an example of some of the things that I found because I could not find a marble in my house. So here's some examples of things that I collected from around my house. I have tape. I have toilet paper and paper towel tubes. I have scissors, and I have newspaper, which I'll show you what I'm going to do with. Also, because I didn't have a marble, I found some tin foil and I balled it up to make a ball. We'll see if that works. It'll be a fun experiment. I also found a bead, and I thought it would be really cool to try an acorn to see how that worked. So I'm gonna get started on my marble run and I'll show you what I come up with. Okay, so here's my newspaper. I folded it in half and now I'm gonna roll it up and put tape on either end. And now I have a tube that I can use in my marble run. Okay, I'm gonna start making my marble run. Not exactly sure how I'm gonna do it yet, but I'm gonna take these two toilet paper tubes together, start making a tower. Wonder if I could get this to stand up in here. So I'm going to work on this for a little bit before we have our morning meeting at 9, and I will send you a picture later of what I create. Have fun, don't stress, it's Friday and it's raining, just be creative, be yourselves, you're all smart and awesome kids, and I'll see you soon, bye.